Hey everyone, welcome to Fixsoft. In this video I will show you how to install the Perplexity Comet Browser on Windows 11. The steps are simple and you can follow along even if you are new to using Windows. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to search bar and type Perplexity Comet. Then press enter. Click on the first result. You can also find the website link in the video description. This is the official website for the Comet browser. At the top of the page, click on the download button. A new page will open and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, you will see the Comet installer file. Right-click on the file and click Open to begin the installation. A welcome screen will appear. Click Start Install. Wait for the installation to finish. If this video is helping you so far, let me know in the comments. Also tell me which browser you are using. I would love to hear from you. After installation, you will see a Comet shortcut on your desktop. Click Launch Comet to open the browser. When Comet opens, click Get Started. You may see an option to import data from Chrome or another browser. You can skip this for now by clicking Do This Later. Next, add a profile name. Now choose any avatar. You can also enable dark or light mode as you prefer. After making your selections, click Continue. It will ask you to set Comet as your default browser. Click Skip. You will then see a few options like setting Comet as your default browser, adding it to the taskbar, or opening it on startup. Choose what you prefer and click Start Comet. The Comet browser is now ready to use. You can sign in with your Perplexity account if you want. You can search for anything using the address bar or open any website. You can also open a new tab and directly ask questions using the built-in assistant. That's how you can install and start using the Perplexity Comet browser on Windows 11. Thanks for watching Fixsoft. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.